Today we're going to show you how to replace a headlight on a Ford Escape. You're going to want to make sure the car is off and turn the ignition off, and then turn the headlight switch on. Once you have done that, locate your hood release, pull it, on these Fords we have our safety release over here on the passenger side, and it's in color yellow. Crack it open, get your hood prop, put it in place. Okay, once your hood is open, you're gonna want to go behind your headlight here, your headlight unit. You can inspect, this is the main harness going to it. If your high beam headlight was out, this would be the guy you'd replace, or you'd be taking this cover off. Since we're going to replace our standard low beam, we're going to go for this cover, and your turn signal is this wire here at the end. You would just twist that and pull it off. But here is our headlight. So sometimes cars have these caps that they twist off. This is just peel off, so you just kind of peel it off, put it up here so we don't lose it. You're going to want to twist your headlight bulb unit and pull it out. In this car, it's easiest to pull the whole thing out. Here's your connector. You press down on this guy here, releases the whole bulb, and then you can inspect, see if the element is inside damaged. Always remember, wear gloves. If you do this, if you don't have gloves, you're going to want to make sure you don't touch the glass. If you touch the glass, drop, hit it, or in any way, shape, or form, it could prematurely cause bulb failure, which is something you don't want. And remember, if you're going to replace one headlight, you're going to want to try to replace both at the same time. If you buy them in pairs, you can typically save a couple bucks on each one, and the other one's not too far from blowing away and burning out, just like this guy is. All right. When you take the bulb out of the box, you'll see that it has a protection to protect the glass. Make sure you don't touch the glass. Don't hit, bang, or drop it to prevent any oils from getting on the glass. If you prevent any oils from getting on the glass, your lifespan on your bulb can be shortened up. So.
In case you were wondering, the Ford Escape uses an H11 bulb
To protect the glass at all times. You're gonna want to make sure it connect the bulb here to the connector, and you hear it click. Okay. And you're gonna want to put this face in with the glass, going right into the hole. Once you do that, you're gonna want to feel, because it has 3 notches to where it sits in place. Once you feel that sink in place, you're gonna twist and make sure it's secure. And once you have your bulb in place, you're gonna get your cover. This cover snaps in place. You're gonna want to start from one side. Just push on it. This cover is meant to keep moisture, oil, dirt out of going inside your headlight unit, to keep the lifespan good. And that's how you replace a headlight bulb on a Ford Escape. If you have to replace the one on the passenger side, it is the same thing. There's nothing really in the way. Just rewind the video and do it all over again. Today we're going to show you how to replace